guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be actually doing a everyday look, and I'm gonna do my hair, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I straightened my hair. I have my master palette by Mario. As you can see, I've dug into it a lot. I'm just gonna go in with this shade Kim, and I got these brushes on Amazon for like $10, and I absolutely love them. I'm gonna apologize in advance. I was like, I'm just gonna like, it's so awkward to just do your makeup in front of the camera. Like, what do you even say? Like, there's nothing to say. But anyways, yeah. So basically, I'm just blending it in there, and nothing really that special. Just bringing it up on into the brow bone. Like this color on here called Isabel, if you can see. My sister's name is Isabel, and she's gonna turn 1 next month, and I'm so excited. So I'm dipping my brush in that, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my lid because it's kind of summery. So this is just me basically explaining how to use an eyelash curler for a really long time. If you don't know how to use one, then you just simply put your eyelashes in and squeeze for a few seconds. I know some people are scared of it, but don't be. It is great, and when you put the mascara on, it holds the shape, so it's a lifesaver. And then basically this is just me raving about this mascara. It's just like Maybelline, I'm pretty sure, and it's awesome and it's really cheap, so we don't gotta be out here spending $30 on mascara. And I mean, if you got it, you got it, but you know, as you can see, my acne is really bad, but what can you do about it? Well, I'll show you right now. BAREMinerals Prime Time. To me, it feels very oily, but my skin is so dry. It feels like sandpaper. It feels really silky and smooth, so my makeup can go on nice. People with acne prone skin, this is a good decision. So I'm gonna shake it up, and then usually just like put a few drops on my face like this. I got it on my shirt. Like this. So drop, and drop over here. Oh, I like that feeling. Oh, over here. Now you just gotta dab like your life depends on it. You already know I was just talking about boring stuff, so I don't want you to hear all that, but just get it in everywhere and make sure that you blend. I even suck at blending, like you'll see at the end of the video, but we're all learning here. We're not professionals, okay? We're homegrown. I forgot to do my eyebrows. Seriously? I used to get so mad when I didn't know how to do my eyebrows, and I watched a makeup tutorial, and then they would go away to do their eyebrows. Well, let me just tell you that I used to use the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel. Pomade, I meant. But I don't have any anymore. And my eyebrow brush broke, and we're broke, so I haven't gotten a new one. But I have just this, literally, I'm pretty sure this is an eye pencil. I'm gonna try to explain what's going on here because my phone is buns and has water damage and you can't hear anything. But I'm gonna explain what I'm doing with my eyebrows. So I just start in the middle and I make sure the line at the top is straight, you know. And then I don't go past that area right there because it looks bad if you fill in all the way. And then I just give myself a little arch right here, and I drag it all the way down. But I have this BAREMinerals, and it's really light, so I can just use that as concealer. I also have this BAREMinerals BARESKIN. So I usually just come at the bottom of my cheekbone. So here's the part where you make your face looks snatched with the magic of contour. So these are all the places that I put my contour, and it's pretty simple, especially if you have something like this. It's easy to do that, but brush works too. This is just me putting concealer under my eyes, and then my nose and my chin. This is MAC Prep and Prime. This works really well. I was running out, so I mixed water in it, so it works the same. So basically, I'm pretty sure they're selling you water that's fragranced, but it wasn't me that said anything. So if anyone knows what it is for real, then let me know. Spray it on. Y'all be feeling like you just came out of the water after that, like you glow it gives you. Yes. I think that this jaw is bigger. This jaw is like more of a jawline, and then like I feel like my jaw broke or something. Like I don't know. I went to ask my boyfriend, he was like, "What are you talking about?" Cool. You think that you would be the one who knew. Now I'm gonna take this little tiny brush. I'm going to blend my nose. Don't go in. Try to blend down and up. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a whole separate brush to blend this mess that I got going on. I'm gonna get more of this. Use this pointy brush I had again. Go to my cheek and make a line. Okay, so I have this baking powder. I'm just going to use this fluffy, nice brush that I love and put it on there like that. My favorite, Tarte. Oh, that was a good catch, Gabby. I know. This is my MAC Lightscapade. That's good. Ooh. I'm just gonna go like this to make sure it blends into my neck, and I'm gonna spray my neck a little bit. Just make sure it's all blended into your neck, so you don't look like a crazy person. So I'm just gonna show you guys maybe a little bit more up close. I'm sweating. I'm sorry. I know I'm sweating. I'm sweating because the air conditioning doesn't go to my room, and they like to keep the house to 75, and I'm dying. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I hope you liked it. Comment down below if you have any suggestions. Please like and subscribe, and I'll love you, and I'll check out your channel if you have one. And that's really it. So I hope you guys have a blessed day, and see you next time. Ha! Joke's on y'all. You thought the video was over. Well, it's not. And you better stay tuned. I said tune. LMAO! I'm cringing at myself. Why did I record myself like doing selfie poses? I'm actually cringing. Like, what? I was trying to make a thumbnail, like, you know what I'm talking about? But it's awkward. Ow! I'm trying to get my bed really tall. Do you guys want to see my really cute blanket my boyfriend made me? Anyway, this video's over, and now I have nothing to do. You know what? This one blended enough. So take it from me. Make sure you blend, ladies. okay? I need to learn how to blend better too. But until next time, chicas.